runway 05 left to expect a late landing clearance, the wind 320 at 3.
Step up and screw, roger, we'll go.
Midland 579, Scottish Control, frequency 134.425, goodbye.
134.425, Midland 579 by now.
Thompson 7 Mike Kilo left, and left again onto Juliet, contact ground 12185, cheerio.
Down to Juliet, 12185, Thompson 7 Mike Kilo, morning. Good afternoon, even Lufthansa 943, taxiing Alpha 1.
Pakistan 711, runway 05 left, cleared takeoff, surface wind 320 at 3.
Takeoff 05 left, Pakistan 711.
Lufthansa 943, good afternoon, hold at Alpha 1 in turn.
Alpha 1 in turn, Lufthansa and Alpha 0.
Surface wind 330 at 2.
Midland, I'm with 05 left, 37, Papa Whiskey. Good afternoon, Kestrel 48 Charlie Mike, we're fully established, 7 DMA.
Kestrel Flight Charlie Mike, thanks. Continue approach. Expect a late landing clearance. Got a heavy to roll ahead of you. The wind 330 at 1.
Reverse Kestrel Flight Charlie Mike, thank you.
Delta 65, you with me?
65, holy Charlie.
Okay, Delta 65, after the landing 73, just passing you now. Line up runway 05 left.
73, line up 05 left, Delta 65.
Pakistan 711, contact Scottish, frequency 128.050. Goodbye.
Scottish 128.050, bye-bye, Pakistan 711.
Thank you, Ryanair 57 uniform Delta, hold in turn at Alpha 1. Turkish 7 Papa Whiskey, vacate first left on the angle to turn off in about 20 metres, then left again on taxiway Juliet.
Left and left.
control, please. 128.050. Good morning.
Delta 65, we'll see you. Thanks for your help.
Ciao.